Your attention, please.
So we go from one main street to another. You know, I understand the Christmas decorations over here in Buena Vista Street aren't as standoutish. I mean, as it's not decorated as much as Disneyland and Main Street, but there is something about Buena Vista Street decorated that I just seem to like. So where are we headed? We're going into Julius and Cats and Sons. Julius Cats and Sons. Some of the new stuff. I really like these countdowns that they've got. Florida had a couple cool ones too. And I am like addicted to this sign, guys.
You know, it's funny. That's the exact same thing.
This is a vase, guys. It is extremely light. I actually thought it was going to be heavy. $24.99. That's not too bad. Oh no, I find this really cool because it's almost like a cup, but I know it's not. I know it's a vase. But it's extremely light. I remember when these were hard to come by. You could only get them at Red Rose Tavern. Now they're everywhere. So now that we've hit, well, I should say, shown you guys a little bit of the merchandise. We've been looking all morning and all afternoon so far. So I would definitely show you guys more later on, probably more like tomorrow or tonight. I'll show you guys more of the merch, the Christmas merch. I know I just really quickly, but when we came out and we were sitting there, I noticed there's one thing that I kind of forgot was happening while we were here. Festival of Holidays. Now, we're not gonna eat anything here today. Well, okay, I can't say we're not because you never know with us. But our plan is probably not. But most likely tomorrow, we will kind of come through here and definitely sample a couple more things. I can't say I've been looking at menus and items, and there's a couple things here that I would definitely want to try, especially after doing Epcot's International Food and Wine Festival. I'm a little bit more intrigued about what each of these kind of has.
Come on, get down and walk.
I think this one's kind of got my money. Reuben Tots. That Reuben Tots. That might be calling my name in there. All right, let's see what this one is. Holiday duets. They're both the same on the same. Yeah, it is. Both menus are the same. And this one looks like a spirits booth. This is more Ashley's alley.
Well, mostly.
See? Told you. mimosa flights, white wine flights. Yeah, that's definitely more Ashley's forte. Next one, Visions of Sugar Plums. This one's more like organic and healthy. I know the sun is just like brutal right now. This one's definitely like kind of more, a little more healthy, but then you look at their desserts, which wasn't like an eggnog eclair, and it's like, okay, that's not healthy. But their actual like hearty dishes are more on the healthy side.
Luckily, he's very
Merry mashups. The only thing that looks good to me is the hot cocoa marshmallow macaroon and the bagel nachos, which to me looks like just bagel bites and queso cheese. Winter Wonders, pumpkin soup, something I can't pronounce. And the last booth that I'm going to show you now, because we're going to make a left turn. What is this one? Oh, this is that blissfully braised one. It's got the meat. It's a little more savory. Cornbread cakes, pork belly, and the blood orange mule. All right. The moment Ashley's like, I want to see it. I want to see it. Da, 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 da. It's actually bigger than I thought. So, Pixar Pier, everybody. Lamplight Lounge, which I'm just gonna break the secret now. Ash, I'm just gonna say it. That's where we're having dinner. We're having dinner at the Lamplight Lounge. But I'm just so glad that lamp moves. I'm so glad it moves. So I like it. So far I like it. Ashley's taking pictures. Nick Snacks. Interesting name choice. Yeah, we could go take a look and see what's inside Nick Snacks. And I've already told Ashley I want dessert from the Abominable Snowman place. I want the lemon soft serve. Let's see what they got. It's probably all Pixar stuff. Which I'm on the money so far. Okay, I'm gonna play this game. Toy Story die-cast cars. So basically Hot Wheels. Just because I'm curious. Okay, Ashley wants to show the shirt. Oh, I like that one. Okay, back to the cars. Just because I'm gonna go ridiculous, I'm gonna say $29.99. Oh, how much? Okay. Did I read that one right? Guys, just help me out here. Let's let the... Okay, it's 19. That other one looked like 49 and I was gonna go bonkers. Ball. I hope I got you guys. That's kind of cool. I like that ball. That's neat. Let's see. Oh, Ashley, look at those socks. Ashley likes socks. If I could only be a kid again. Oh my god. Guys, they have tails. Oh! Mondays scare me. Yeah, Mondays scare me. Well, they don't really scare me because mostly I'm off on Mondays. So Mondays don't scare me too bad. Alright, the rest of Pixar
is melted.
Blue raspberries, and it's melted together. Oh, that's kind of a neat little puzzle. It's kind of 3D-ish. Well, lenticular puzzle. Yeah, I can't pronounce that word. Mind your distance. I like that shirt. People, mind your distance from me. This is neat. I like this store. You guys think they just made this up for this store? Or... I like these. More dolls. These are actually kind of neat. Edna Mode. Okay. I have to tell you guys a secret. Well, I don't know if it's a secret, but you might not know. Edna Mode is played by a guy.
Very.
I just... When I found that out, I was like, what? Okay. Now for the new stuff. See, I want right here, the adorable snowman, frosted treats. I'm hoping later it's not this crowded. I really want that lemon soft serve. AJ from Disney Food Blog says it's like her favorite ice cream treat. And she's eaten a lot of treats, guys. So I really want to try it. And I don't know. I've already seen these billboards. The last time we were here, these were here. I still miss the old ones.
I like that one.
But yeah, that one's, Jassie just pointed out, is her favorite. But I kind of like, what I like about that one is the 6-pack plastic that is trying to tell you, like, make sure to cut your plastic.
Or just don't buy them.
So it's red tubes, extended red tubes. Like I said, there's Pixar Pal Around. They changed the name to Pixar Pal Around. And I don't know how I like Pixar Pier up there, but anyways, if you can't tell, we're headed back here, so that really means we're either just looking, riding Toy Story Mania, or riding the Incredicoaster.
A big spoiler.
We're gonna ride the Incredicoaster, guys. We have a fast pass. So I am going to switch to the GoPro, and let's hope that I can get some half-decent footage from the GoPro of the Incredicoaster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! That was awesome. The overlays were actually better in person. Like, I was really nervous about, I mean, I know I've talked about it in other videos, and I've always kind of been skeptical of the overlay. In person it's a lot better, and I can definitely see that at night.
What do you want? What do you want?
What?
Edna.
What were you, oh, trying to be Edna. You're as tall as her. So, that was a lot of fun. And especially sitting, we'll have to try it again, and maybe we'll try to sit in the front so I can get another video of it. So, anyways, we have something we had to try, and that is the Cookie Num Num. As you can tell, Ashley's already digging in. I have to try it if she's nice enough to break off a piece for me. That's a good cookie. It's not like overly sweet. Would you agree? Well, I don't like milk, so no milk for me. But it's not like overly sweet. If you've had Toll House cookies, it tastes a lot like Toll House. So I wonder if it's similar dough or the same dough. But it's not overly sweet. I like that. It's a very like semi-sweet cookie. Something I recommend. It is $6 a cookie. Uh-oh. That's a good cookie.